Say cheese, Queech. Let's go get it. Not even a friggin' moon out.
Yeah, it's gone way down there now. That thing's moving fast.
It was right here.
Fissures.
What do you think it is?
Don't shine that in their eyes.
Yeah, just look.
The Blair Witch Project. I think it could be a fissure.
Yeah. What do you think it is, Jared?
I don't know. I'd never heard a scream like that.
What do you like?
All I know is if I was here by myself, I'd be crying.
I'd be running real fast because I'm scared with these three guys.
No, I'm right here.
Oh, you're right there. That's Steve.
Queegee Bow's back there.
He's more scared than anybody.
But we scared it off.
Yeah.
It did come right over here.
Yes, it was.
Listen,
Way back there. Yeah.
Could it be a moose?
No.
A moose.
Are you recording the sound? Yeah. Good. Don't shine at my eyes. My eyes are fucked up. Kill that. Save that. Save that power.
That was it.
It's circling. Let's go back to camp.
Maybe it's hungry.
It stinks.
Yeah, I know.
I don't smell anything.
Oh, it like went right into my nostrils.
All of a sudden we can see it. Well, I'm not sure what that is, but it might be fishes. They're a fair side, dangerous fucking. That was crazy.